Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for UPSC exams preparations. My name is Abhishek, and in the last video we talked about a detailed analysis of different stages of the examination. In this video we will discuss a detailed analysis of the complete syllabus of all those stages such as prelims and mains. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The syllabus for the GS paper of the prelims is as follows. It consists of current events of national and international importance, the history of Indian national movement, the Indian and world geography, which consists of all physical, social and economic geography of India and the world, the Indian polity and governance, which consists of constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy, rights issues, etc. Then economic and social development consisting of sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives, etc. Then the general issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity and climate change. And finally the general science. Friends, this was the detailed analysis of paper 1 of the prelims. Now let's come to the paper 2 of the prelims, that is the CSET paper. It consists of comprehension, interpersonal skills, logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, and general mental ability. You also need to have the ability to do basic numeracy up to the class 10 level. It can consist of data interpretation, which can be asked in the form of charts, graphs, table, data sufficiency, etc. Friends, let's move to the mains exam. Mains examination constitutes the second phase of the civil service examination. Only those people who qualify the prelims are eligible to sit for the mains, and it tests a candidate's academic talent in more depth in comparison to the prelims. The syllabus is also much more elaborate what is asked in prelims. That in the mains there are 9 papers, out of which 2 are qualifying papers of 300 marks. The 2 qualifying papers are one an Indian language paper and second the English language paper. The papers on essay, general studies and optional subjects of only such candidates who attain 25% marks in both the language paper is taken into evaluation. The candidate who do not score the 25% marks in the language papers, their rest of the papers are not evaluated. So friends, do keep in mind that the language papers are also very important. Do not neglect them. Now the structure of the questions asked in the language paper are as follows. They consist of essay of 100 marks, a reading comprehension of 60 marks, a précis writing of 60 marks, and a translation from English to any Indian language, which consists of 20 marks, and a compulsory language paper of English, which also is of 20 marks. Then there are grammar and basic language usage. The rest of the 7 papers can be written in any of the languages mentioned in the 8 schedules of the Constitution of India. The paper 2, which is GS1, consists of Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. Then paper 2 is governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relations. In paper 3 they ask technology, economic development, biodiversity, security and disaster management, and in paper 5 it is ethics, integrity and aptitude. The rest of the papers are optional papers, which are 2 in number, paper 6 and paper 7. Friends, this was the detailed analysis of the papers and their syllabus. We hope that you learnt a lot from this, and this will help you a long way in your preparations. For now, we bid you goodbye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.